Hey guys, so a little help today on section 4 on probabilities of compound events. Compound events basically means more than one. So it's like, the probability of drawing a queen and then a heart, or, rolling a 2 and then rolling a 3. Like it's the probability of more than one thing happening in a row. And these are fairly simple, some of them. Like number 1, the probability of drawing a black card from a standard deck. Well, a standard deck of cards, half are red and half are black, so 26 of each. So the probability of drawing a black card would be 26 out of 52. And then, but it says you put it back. So it's like on the second draw, it's like you're just starting over. So again, for the second draw, you have 26 out of 52, and then you just multiply those together. So really that's 1/2 times 1/2. You got a 50-50 shot both times of that happening. So you end up getting 1/4. So that's, pretty simple there. Number 2 is a pretty hard problem. The probability of selecting one jazz, one country, and one rap CD in any order from 10 total CDs. And you are replacing the CDs each time. This is the way I did this. There is some discrepancy. For years, Miss Heather and I have had trouble with this problem because the answer that is given on the original answer key in this book is not even remotely right. We know it's wrong. But if you look things up on the internet, we kind of get two different answers. Some people say the answer is 3/100, and some people say it's 9/50. Let me explain how they got 3/100 because that does make sense to me. There's 10 CDs. So let's just say you draw a jazz first. You got 3 out of 10 shot of getting a jazz CD. But you put it back. And so then when you get a country CD, you've got 2 out of 10 shot of picking that. But you put it back. So again, there's still 10. And you've got 5 out of 10 shot of getting a rap CD. So if you multiply all that together, you get 30/1000, which reduces to 3/100. So that's fairly simple to get. And some websites that I've looked at say the answer is 9/50 because technically you could get those 3 CDs in any order. So 3 times 2 times, in other words, you've got 3 choices for the first CD, 2 for this, 1 for this, that's basically 3 factorial, which gives you 6. So if you do 3/100 times 6, it does give you 9/50. And I could see where someone, would think that was the answer if order mattered. But it really didn't say that order mattered. So we're going with 3/100 for that problem for number 2. That's what we're going with for that answer. I'm not going to give you anything like that that's super hard, so don't stress over that. Okay, so number 3, the probability that 2 cards drawn from a deck are both aces. Okay, well,